Replacing your home's windows is a major investment, but it's one that pays off in energy savings, improved comfort, and enhanced curb appeal. If you're a homeowner in Layton, Utah, and you're considering window replacement, it's natural to wonder what the process involves. The good news? With the right professionals, the experience is smooth, efficient, and stress-free. Here's a clear breakdown of what to expect during a professional window replacement in Layton, so you can feel confident and prepared every step of the way. In-home consultation and assessment. The first step in your window replacement journey is scheduling an in-home consultation. A professional window contractor will visit your Layton home to inspect your existing windows, take precise measurements, discuss your goals, preferences, and budget, recommend materials, styles, and features that suit your home and climate. This is your opportunity to ask questions about energy efficiency, window types, like double hung, casement, or sliding, and customization options such as colors, frames, and glass coatings. Expect this meeting to be informative and collaborative. It sets the foundation for a successful project. Choosing the right windows. After the consultation, you'll receive a detailed quote and have time to choose the best windows for your home. Professional window companies offer a wide range of styles and materials, including vinyl for low maintenance and affordability, fiberglass for durability and insulation, wood-clad for classic charm with modern efficiency. Living in Layton means dealing with hot summers and chilly winters, so energy-efficient features like low-E glass, argon gas fills, and multi-pane construction are worth considering. Once you finalize your choices, your windows are custom-ordered to fit your home precisely. Scheduling the installation. Once your custom windows are ready, typically within a few weeks, your installer will schedule a convenient time to complete the project. Most professional teams will confirm arrival times and duration, provide prep instructions, like removing window coverings or moving furniture, coordinate with you to minimize disruptions to your day. A standard window replacement for an average-sized home in Layton usually takes 1 to 2 days, depending on how many windows are being replaced and whether any framing work is required. The installation process. On installation day, the crew will arrive fully equipped and ready to work. The process usually includes protecting your home with drop cloths and covering, careful removal of old windows without damaging surrounding trim, precise installation of new windows, ensuring level fit and airtight sealing, foam insulation and weatherproofing for maximum energy efficiency, interior and exterior finishing to match your home's look. Professionals will also clean up as they go, leaving your home neat and tidy. Many teams can replace 8 to 10 windows in a single day, but large or complex projects may take a bit longer. Final inspection and walkthrough. Once the windows are installed, your technician will walk through the completed job with you to test functionality of each window, opening, closing, locking, verify seals and insulation, Review warranty information and care tips. Answer any last-minute questions. This step ensures that you're 100% satisfied with the results before the team leaves. Enjoy the benefits right away. After your window replacement, you'll immediately notice quieter rooms with reduced outside noise, improved indoor comfort with fewer drafts, lower energy bills thanks to better insulation, boosted curb appeal and potential home value increase. With Layton's changing weather, new windows are one of the best upgrades you can make for your home's efficiency and appearance. Final thoughts. Stress-free window replacement starts with the right team. Knowing what to expect makes the process easier and more enjoyable. By choosing a trusted local window replacement company in Layton, you'll receive professional service, high-quality products, and long-term peace of mind. Ready to get started? A simple consultation is all it takes to begin transforming your home, one window at a time.